Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the landing page. I'll just walk you through how it's set up and how you can use it to start selling your video editing services right away. So this this landing page was designed on a platform called Framer. Super easy to use. You can get started. Once you buy the template, you can get started and you can stay on Framer for free. So there's no, you could do this all for free after you buy the template. There are a couple things that, a couple added features that you could have if you subscribe to a Framer subscription, but I have everything laid out so you can do everything for free. So this template is designed specifically for primarily for short form video editors to go out. You customize this template. It's really easy to do. You get it customized in a matter of a couple hours, and then you go out and just start selling right away. So you start getting this in front of as many people as possible until you land that deal, until you land that client. So I designed this landing page on a platform called Framer. You don't need to know how to code whatsoever. It's super easy to use. If you've ever used Figma, it's really similar to how you edit things on Figma. I'm not a web developer by trade. I'm a video editor, but I do know some web. I set this up, the layout myself, and then I paid I paid a web developer to go in and optimize things for me. So as you update things, it automatically updates on all the different versions, so that everything's optimized, so that things look great on your phone. So as you edit the desktop version, it automatically updates, on these different versions. So there's a desktop version for a widescreen desktop. There's a version for a desktop with a smaller screen. There's a version for a tablet, and of course, you got to have a version for the phone that's optimized because most people are going to be viewing this from a phone. So yeah, this landing page was set up. I'll just show you the final version here, and this is just my example. It was set up to be just the right amount of information for a potential buyer and nothing more. We don't want to overwhelm a potential buyer. When a potential buyer comes to your website, they don't want to be overwhelmed with 50 different videos from all different niches. They're not going to watch all these videos. They're not going to spend much time on your site. So they're really just looking for a few key pieces of information. And I have those laid out here. So number one, they're going to want to know who you are. So that's what this header section is for. I suggest doing a header video. And I have a script on what I use. You can copy it. You can create your own video. So we want to do a video, and number one, we want to show people who we are. Number two, we want to show people our work. So no more than 3 to 6 videos. I suggest doing 3. Potential buyer isn't going to sit there and watch all your videos. So just post 3, your very 3 best videos. Or if you're designing this for a specific niche, like real estate agents, for example, post your 3 best real estate, examples. So they need to know who you are. They need to see your work. They need to see testimonials from past clients. So they need to see social proof. They need to see that you have happy clients, right? Next, and the most important part that most video editors lack is an offer. So just like any other business, we need something to sell. So if you don't have an offer, you need to make one. And so this one's included with the template. I teach you in the modules on how to go in and customize this offer to be specific to the services that you offer. So change the pricing, change the deliverables to how you work. So they need to see who you are. They need to see your work. They need to see happy clients. They need something to buy. Then if they have any more questions, you answer them here. Like, how does my process work? Like, what's it like working with me? How does billing work? And I have examples of, if a client's working with me, this is what I would tell them. I work with Dropbox, but maybe you don't. So you come in here and I teach you how to customize this for yourself. But again, feel free to copy my process. If I'm working with you, I require a 25% deposit up front. Maybe you don't require a deposit at all. So you'll come in here and change all this stuff to reflect how you work. And then at the bottom, we need a way for them to move forward with the process. And we want to make it as easy as possible for them to move forward. And so we're not asking them many questions. Give me your name and your email. Let me know what you're interested in, and I'll be in touch, or you could just schedule a call with me directly. And if they were to fill out a form, that would probably be my next step in the process, is getting them on a call and then trying to sell them on one of my services. So this landing page was designed to provide the path of least resistance for a person to say yes to working with us. We need to make things as easy as possible for people to get all the information they need and then to make a decision on whether or not they want to work with us. And that's exactly what this was designed to do. Like I said, this page is super easy to set up. Once you have it set up, you can go out and begin using it to sell right away. And I walk you through the whole process. I have I think there's about 12 videos that walk you through step by step how to set up each section of this landing page, how to set up your own custom domain. Again, you can get up and running for free after you buy this template. So yeah, check it out, and I hope it helps, and I hope you can use this and find that dream client of yours. I forgot to mention, I did also include a Notion document that's kind of like a guide on some of the things I just went through, why we have each section of this page, but I provided a bunch of different options for headlines that you can test on your landing page. So headlines are super important. It's the first thing that people see when they come to your webpage. All these different bits of text, I provided different options that you can just copy and paste. So you just copy them from this Notion document and then paste them into your landing page. Most digital marketers are constantly testing different headlines. They're constantly testing, even down to like the color of their buttons and stuff like that. Constantly testing offers. So we're going to want to do the same thing until we find what works. So I provided a bunch of different options for different headlines you can use. I provided an example of the script I used for my video here on the homepage, on the header, different call to action buttons. So you'll just come here, copy and paste these, and paste them into your template here. So yeah, hope that helps, guys. And if you need help with anything along the way, you just reach out to me, and I'm happy to help walk you through things. So thanks for checking it out.